Hello, Happy New Year, everyone. This is our first Make It in Minutes Monday video. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, or also known as Stamping Bay. We are so happy to be here today. We got some new product that we're going to be sharing with you. We're going to be making this beautiful card right here using our new blending brushes. Oh my gosh, you guys are so awesome. But this card right here, super simple, easy to make. And yeah, we're going to get started on this using the Sweet Ice Cream Suite. Kayla and I are taking part in a Demos Galore, and I cannot get enough of this stamp set, and this is one of the stamp sets that we're going to be demonstrating. So if you are interested in learning more about how you can get in and see some wonderful demonstrations with the new product that's coming out, we would love for you to join us. You can check out our information on our blog. It's stampingbay.com. That's BAE.com, Stamping Bay. All right, so let's get started. So basically, I am using the Highland Heather and Blackberry Bliss for my ink colors today. You can use whatever works for you. We're going to need 4 inch by 5 1/4 inch Whisper White. What I did is actually you need 2 of them. It's exactly the same size as this, and I took and cut off 1.5 inches from that. Because we're going to do the blending on one, and then we're going to emboss and stamp on the other one. All right, so first we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Then we're going to take the bigger piece of this one that we cut in half, and we're going to stamp the thank you on the front, on the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move that off to the side, that one off to the side, and we're going to do embossing. Now, the embossing folders that I chose today are the Meadow Moments, and now we're going to be using this one on this card. So this is going to be interesting. I'm interested to see how this is going to pop out. You definitely want to stamp first before you emboss, because it might be a little hard to stamp afterwards when you got the raised parts. Okay, so introducing our new little stamp and cut and embossing machine. This one is our small one. Absolutely love it. You can use it for on the go, and it also comes with our plates that we need. So we're going to need plate number 1, and it tells you the instructions right here on what you need. Okay, so this is for die cutting. And then plate number 3 is telling us for embossing, we're going to need plate number 1 and plate number 3. So we have plate 1, and then we're going to insert our paper into the embossing folder wherever you want it. Okay, then we're going to lay that down on our plate, and then we're going to put plate number 3 on top of that per the instructions on the plate itself. Voila, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Absolutely love it. All right, now we're going to bring this in, and this fun piece right here. Now we're going to need our silicone mat, because when I tried doing this with the brushes, I ended up bending my paper, and it just didn't look very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our tape, and we're going to tape it down on our silicone mat here. What's really cool about this silicone mat is that anything that goes on it comes off really easy. Now that we got this on here, it doesn't matter if it's on there straight or not, just make sure it's attached pretty good. Now we're going to take our inks and a scrap piece of paper. That's very important. Okay, so our scrap piece of paper, we're going to open up our ink pad, grab our blend brush. We're going to lift up some of the ink onto our brush, and then we're just going to rub just a tiny bit gently off over here. And then we're going to start in circular motions and go over, starting at the base, because we want it to be gradually dark to light up here. Now I'm going to take our Highland Heather, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Okay, now we're going to start assembling our piece. Now this one, I'm just going to adhere directly onto the paper. Now this, we're going to put on dimensionals. last but not least, I am going to add some sparkle. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us. And again, make sure you hop over to our blog, stampingbay.com, and check out information on demos galore. Registration is going to be closing on the 9th, which is this Saturday. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend it. Go check it out. And we appreciate you guys checking us out today. And if you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications on when we are posting. And also we'll have measurements in a blog post down in the description. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.